Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to transfer the site in my local host into the new site, the newly set up WordPress site. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your localhost site and search for the plugin all-in-one WP migration and install and activate the plugin. After that, go to the plugin export and click export to file. It will take a while depending on the size of your site, and when it is done, download the file. Now go to your newly set up WordPress site and install the all-in-one WP migration plugin again and activate the plugin. Now go to all-in-one WP migration and import. Now click import from file and select the file you have downloaded from your previous localhost site. So the site has been imported successfully. Click finish. Now log into the site using the old credentials. And go to settings, permalinks, and save. Now we have imported our site successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problems, let me know in the comment section.